Welcome back to Brooklyn Girl Bakery's kitchen. I have some special guests in the kitchen with me today. I have my nieces who are visiting. This is Kelsey, this is Jamie, and this is my son Mason. And then behind the camera today we have our producer slash editor, Mr. Hayden Anderson, aka Master Chief Plays. Follow him on YouTube. So today what we are going to be doing is creating a rainbow colored icing to put on our cupcakes. So the tools that you are going to need are a pastry bag with a tip in the middle. I have a star tip. You can really use any tip that you like. And then you're going to need scissors. You're going to need a piece of plastic wrap. This one is probably about a 16-inch square, give or take. And then you're going to need 3 colors of icing. So Kelsey has chosen to use teal. And Jamie has chosen pink. And Mason has chosen blue. And what we are going to do is we are going to take each color and we are going to make big lines on the plastic wrap, and we're going to line them up next to each other of each of the icing colors. And then we're going to roll the plastic wrap up and then put it inside of the bag. And then hopefully what will come out is rainbow icing when we actually decorate our cupcakes. So, Kelsey, why don't you get started, and we will just put a dollop on there.
Okay.
Okay. Why don't you get the rest of it? Yeah, put the whole bowl. Get that all on there. There you go. And now you want to just spread it out a little bit. And actually, you know what might help us here?
What?
I'm going to grab. This is an offset spatula. So here, why don't you just spread that over? Go ahead and you do it. Just spread it out. There you go. Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Awesome. Okay. Here, let me just get the rest of this off. You don't want to make it too flat because then
really fat.
I don't know that it's gonna pipe out as well. Or mix it. All right, Jamie, your turn. You're gonna put yours next to Kelsey's.
My turn.
Yep, Mason, it's gonna be your turn.
Yay.
All right, get that all out.
It's so much.
If you have a little silicone spatula, that's much easier to get your icing out of the bowls with, but right now spoons are gonna have to do. Well, that's not silicone, that's a metal spatula. All right, and then Jamie, you can spread yours.
Okay. A little like teal on it.
That's okay. It's all going to be mixed together anyway.
Let me spread mine after Jamie.
Okay, you're going to spread yours.
Yay.
Good. All right, and now Mason.
Yay.
Your turn. Here, I'll get the rest of that off for you. Hey Mason, can you reach?
Yep.
Okay. Can I help you scoop some out of the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that together.
Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna scrape around the edge.
Hey, don't talk.
There you go. Go ahead. Throw it on down. There we go. We got it. And now I'm gonna just wipe this off, and we're going to spread that over. Okay. Now I'm just going to mix the colors together a little bit. All right, put that down. Okay. There you go. Now we're just going to spread that. I'm actually going to spread them a little bit just so all the colors are touching each other.
Okay. That's great.
Let's cross our fingers that this is going to work.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to scoot that over. All right. Now I'm going to come back over here.
Yay.
And here's what we're going to do.
What?
We're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half again.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to twist.
Twist?
All right.
Twist.
And then we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut the edge off. All right. So I'm going to grab myself a towel.
Yay.
So I'm a little sticky. And then you're going to fold over the top of your pastry bag. Jamie, can you put that in here? Yeah, just put that in towards the end. Good. Kelsey, I want you to hold the bag. I'm just gonna push some of the icing down into the bottom of the plastic wrap.
And then cut it.
All right, now our rainbow bag is inside of our pastry bag. So we have a chocolate cupcake for you.
Yeah.
Chocolate cupcake for you. Vanilla cupcake for you. I have a red velvet cupcake. And let's cross our fingers, all right? Let's see if it works. We're gonna start on the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really pretty.
And go inside. And look, we have a rainbow cupcake. All right, Mason, you wanna go first?
Yes.
Okay. Here, I'll help you hold it.
Okay.
You're gonna hold the pastry bag and you're just gonna squeeze. Ta-da! All right, Jamie, your turn. Yeah, you can do it. You wanna hold it? Yes, you can. You're gonna hold it at the top.
Right at the top.
Apply pressure at the top and then
Yay!
guide with your bottom hand. Okay? Alright, well we can put a little more on there. We're gonna squeeze a little harder. There we go. Alright. Looks more like soft serve ice cream. Alright, remember to save Hayden some because he's gonna be doing his cupcake afterwards.
That's me behind the
Okay,
camera.
so don't do too much. Alright. Excellent. Alright, Hayden, come on out.
Hey, come on
That's the
out.
guy behind the camera.
Guy behind the camera, come on out and have a turn.
Right.
Alright.
Here's your guy behind the camera.
Alright, let's have a turn. Here you go, buddy.
Where am I gonna go?
Okay, you're right here.
All right.
You're gonna put your hand here,
Uh-huh.
and then one hand to guide, and you're gonna squeeze. Squeeze it harder. Okay. And that is how you get your rainbow icing. So, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Now you can amaze all your friends with this cool little trick. And you can definitely be the next hit of the school bake sale or wherever else you need to decorate cupcakes for. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. And I hope to see you guys soon. And I hope you enjoyed having my little helpers in the kitchen today.
Eddie.
And Mason. All right, so we'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much.